Hello everyone, welcome to again Madhulika's Creativity. Hope you all guys going good and fantastic. Again and again I came to you with my garden, and that weather is going good and fantastic. So we need to make our planting soon, and for that weather is going warmer and it is start planting and in our summer garden. And though we can buy from sapling from nursery, it is much more fun and also economical. So we can develop our own garden from seeds to sapling and plant them from one place to another place. Many of friends asking me about the gardening, that which type of soil I am using in my garden, and which type of seeds I can grow here, and from where I am buying seeds. So here in this video I am giving you full detail about gardening, about soil, about compost, or I am making my own compost by animal waste and my kitchen waste. Animal waste, what is that? Look like that we are using in India, like cow dung waste. So here we are using goat waste and camel waste here, that is more frequently animals that we found here. So for how to manage that compost, so for that animal waste I am asking that gardener person, they providing us that some bags of animal waste, and we mixing that animal waste with our kitchen waste, and we make after 3 or 4 months our compost, main natural means, I mean good and natural compost will be ready. So all years I am making this type of compost. One more thing, that when this compost is ready, then we need to mix it in our soil, and then after 4 to 5 days we need to sow seeds. So for that sowing the seeds, what we can do? We can do two methods. One is we can do in pot method. If we sow seed in pot, and after that when they grow 3 to 4 inch, then we will do we have to transfer it in the our garden soil. Otherwise we can sow our seeds in directly on soil. So I am always sowing my seeds in directly in soil, because I have some little area where I can sow my seeds. So in this what seed should we sow in the in this summer season? So as you know, after March and April there will be too much hot weather, so we are sowing not too much seeds, but little seed we can sow, and we can get little crops you can get. That crop not as much as good winter season, but little we can get, like lady finger and bell, we can like bell pepper, cucumber, rice gourd, bottle gourd, watermelon, melon, that some amount of fruits we can get in this period. So first of all I am telling you that in vegetable portion I am sowing lady finger seeds. That lady finger seeds we can get from any Lulu market or in any seeds store. So if you are living in Dubai or Sharjah or Abu Dhabi, so you can buy it from any store that related to that seeds or general store type things. And for lady finger, that if we saw seeds in February last week or March first week, so we will get its fruits in May month or June month. May or June month we will get fruit, and it will grow, giving fruit up to May to August or September it will give fruits. And same like capsicum also, capsicum taking 3 months actually, so it will take fruits in 3 months. And like cucumber also giving us fruits in 3 months. And that cucumber and that sweet corn, we can also sow sweet corn. Sweet corn will take little more time, it will take for 5 months or 6 months, it will take time to give fruit. And one other in this my list is rice gourd. Rice gourd will take 3 months to giving fruit. If we sowing seed this time, it will give fruit us in May first week or second week, it will give fruits. And we can also sow bottle gourd in the same manner. And we can also sow turai, in Hindi we call it turai, it is also called sponge gourd. And one more thing, in bottle gourd, pumpkin we can also sow in this period. So pumpkin, if we sowing this period, so we can use its leaves also, we can use its fruits also, and we can use its flour also we can use. So in many type of dishes we can make with this pumpkin. Pumpkin also give fruits in 2 to 3 months, and if we sowing seeds in March first week or second week, we will get fruit in May month. And one more thing is we like watermelon and melon also give fruit, so we can sow watermelon and melon also. So they are the same time period, they have the same life cycle like risgard. So we can sow, if we are sowing seeds in March month, then they will give fruits in May month. So that are the one more thing is sweet potato. We need to make sow seeds in this period. Sweet potato will not give you seeds. So for sweet potato we need to make one sweet potato we need to take, and we, if we want to make cut, we can cut this sweet potato in some portion, like there are 2 or 3 eyes which will be there available on that portion. Otherwise we can sow full, if we were sowing full sweet potato in the soil, then it will grow properly. After some time, after 5 to 6 months, it will give it will propagate too much, and that it will give if it sow dig its soil, so we can get more sweet potato attached to it. So these are the small list of the plants that we can sow in this month. Hope you all guys like this my video, and if you like my video, then please like and subscribe my video also, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.